the ants must be destroyed. Greetings, fellow humans. I've been asked to make a cake for my bestie, and to celebrate her birthday, I thought it was the best time to do it. There's a hair, sorry. I am making a Logan cake. I do not know much about Logan, except he is in my time at Sandrock, and he's an outlaw. She has a type. So I already have the 8-inch round cake, and my plan is to make sort of a 2.5D decoupage look with fondant. It will make sense at the end, I promise. But the first thing I have to do is actually draw on top of this. So this is my makeshift copy cake, but those things are like 200, 300 bucks, so I just got a tripod and hooked up a pretty cheap projector. Don't mind my unfinished basement. This is how we do it. And of course, you can do it freehand, but it's a little bit harder to do on cakes, since if you mess up, you kind of have to work around it, or you have to take a little bit of the icing off and redo it. It's just a lot faster this way. I really only need to outline the face, because that's what's going to be the base layer and going to actually be airbrushed and show through, but everything else is going to be covered in fondant. But I will just roughly outline it so I know kind of where it's going. I know it looks really rough in here, but I swear it's kosher. The cake's gonna be really soft because it's really hot. So it's gonna be a little bit tougher to work with this today, which is actually a heat index day of like 105. So, all right. There's a cat in here. Is she gonna scare me? Is this gonna be a jump scare situation? I might make the face out of fondant as well, because I don't like the way it's looking on the cake because it's just indented. Before we do anything though, I think I'm just going to airbrush the background just a little bit, give it a little bit of that sort of western look. Some blue sky, clouds, maybe a little bit of the orange sand. Okay, so I airbrushed some of the face and the hair, and I'm going to put the hair down first, and then I'm going to put the face on, and then we're going to add all the rest of the stuff. Okay, now I'm going to do his little cloak. So working on the last layer of fondant, that's going to sit at the very top. His little buckle on his hat and this little shoulder armor. So I'm going to airbrush these guys really quickly, and I might as well airbrush the horns very quickly. I'll be back. Oh, the ants have found us! Go away! There's always a war between ants and hair. It's a little messy because I kind of airbrushed on the cake instead of just separately, but I did that because when you airbrush on fondant, it gets kind of squishy, and then it's hard to transfer it to the cake. Okay, so this thing is done. I like these cakes because they're pretty simple, but they come out looking pretty nice. It's not perfectly clean because I tend to take a little bit of shortcuts, so, but you can get it perfectly clean. Happy birthday, BQ. No. Anyways, I hope she'll be pleased, but we will find out very soon. Okay, you can open them.
Ooh! Oh, he look good. It's like, yeah, look at that. Look at his eyes. He got his eyes right. Got his hair. Did you do the face underneath the mask? Because it looks like you take it off.
Yeah. You can
Did you really?
Oh, no, I didn't do
Okay.
it. It's just going to be white.
Oh, yeah, this is the mask.
Like it's a
It's another mask.
It's
It's another mask. I want to eat him.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Bum bum bear when the baby, 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 baby,